Hey, Heath.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
All right, so you're the guy with the fix for us.
Yeah, I think we have a solution for this.
Which is?
So we're going to take everything underground and get rid of the overhead wires that we have now.
Okay.
For the start of it, though, first thing we have to do is dig a trench.
And how deep do we need to go with that trench?
So for this, we typically want to be deep enough to get the conduits about 18 inches from the top of the conduit to the top of finished grade.
How'd the digging go?
Not good. You know the site.
Exactly.
A lot of ledge, really couldn't dig down too far. But what we have to do when we're not able to dig down far, we have to bring grade up.
All right.
Then we put in 3 inches of sand to soften up everything around the conduit. So we'll start at the pole, put a piece of rigid up there for protection. We'll come down with Schedule 40 PVC in the ground. When we got over here, we still had some issues trying to get through the original rock wall and through everything in here because of the ledge again. So we actually had to heat some pieces up, do some custom bends, and get this to fit.
Beautiful. And so I'm looking at the Schedule 40 pipe right there.
That's it.
Coming up into your box.
Yep, coming up to the meter.
And then so you guys have already got a rope through there. How'd you get that?
We did. So we start, once the conduit's complete, we'll use a mouse like this.
Mouse, huh?
And instead of using a vacuum, we'll use a blower. We'll actually push this mouse through the line to kind of help clean it out and pull this string through. And that gets attached to the conductors right over there.
Big box. What are we pulling to the house?
So we're pulling 400 amps to this house.
What? What did we have originally?
100 overhead. Wow. Yeah, so quite a difference. 400 amps, we're pulling THWN conductors that are ready to be underground.
So how much wire do you think we just pulled?
And we have about 85 feet of conduit in the ground. I'd say we probably pulled a little over 100 feet the whole way by going up the pole.
Times 3, so 300 feet of wire?
Yep.
That's a lot of copper.
Yeah, and a little over a pound a foot. You know, we're looking somewhere around 400 plus pounds that we just pulled through this.
And what does it cost?
For all of this was about $2,400 for the copper.
All right, so next steps for you guys?
Next, we're going to leave these wires where they are. We're simply going to disconnect what we pulled through with on the rope, and then we'll go inside and make up the terminations in the panel. When that's all set, we can have an inspector call it in, and the utility company can tie in the overhead.
Love it. Thank you, Heath.
Thanks.
Good job.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.